Why health can't be bought. Daily habits for real wellness. True health is not purchased and does not come from spending money. It is cultivated day by day through simple habits. I am your head. I brighten when you gently brush your hair, letting energy flow to your mind. I am your eyes, connected to your liver. I see clearly and smile when your gaze wanders, resting in the world around you. I am your lungs. I delight when you stretch your chest and draw in the breath of life. I am your heart. I sing when your chest opens and your heartbeat is felt with joy. I am your kidneys. I am rooted and strong when you rise onto your toes and shake them down, grounding your energy. I am your stomach. I relax and digest with ease when you softly massage your belly, welcoming nourishment. These are just a few examples of self-care and healing, and of the many practices you can do for your health that have been accumulated throughout human history, even though many may have been lost or disappeared from your culture due to medical commercialization. Rediscover these self-healing techniques with the Total Life Energy Plan, the self-health and healing system powered by nature and honored by history. Health isn't bought. It's practiced every day.